Ayan guys, ang ganda dito sa coast, Gold Coast. Ayan, bundok, kagubatan. Ayan, sarap pumasyal dito. Pasyal-pasyal din pag may time. Ayan, pambansang dahon ng Pilipinas is anahaw. Ayan guys, ang daming anahaw. Anahaw, ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda dito guys sa Gold Coast to. Ayan. Gold Coast Farm. Mga sakyan sa parada. Ayan ang aking pangarap. Ayan guys, so ang ganda dito. Yan ang aking amo. Ayan o, ayan. Namasyal-masyal kami. Makatsira-tsinilas lang siya. Oh. Ayan guys, ang ganda. Oh. Mga peacock. Yes. Ayun mga cheese. Oh. Yes. Mga anahaw, pambansang dahon ng Pilipinas. Anahaw. Ayun yung amo ko. Ganda guys. Blue sea. Blue sea, blue sky. Ayan. Blue, 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 all blue, 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 blue. Blue, blue, blue. Blue, 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 blue. Okay, so sasakyan ng Gold Coast to. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Ayan. Hunihan ng mga ibon. Ayan. Ayan. Gold Coast. Ayan sa kanila guys. Ayan, driver. Pwede ka magsakay-sakay dyan. Oh. Ito guys ang hotel ng Gold Coast. Oh. Ang ganda. Oh. Ayan. Pasok kami dyan. Ayan. Sa kabila is restaurant. Ayan, restaurant. Charan, ito mga restaurant. Ito restaurant, oh. Ayan. Mga restaurant dito. Ayan. Gold Coast Hotel, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Laki, oh. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Charan. Charan. Ayan, pambansang dahon ng Pilipinas. Charan. Dami naman masyal guys. Ayan guys, ang ganda dito sa Gold Coast. Kasama ko ang aking big boss. Ayan guys, so ang ganda oh. Ayan, ma'am.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. 晒了，去迪兴湖玩嘛，这种天气。
我不要去迪兴湖玩。
左边是吧？
I'm going
这
Disney.
块，这个快。
I'm going Disney.
No, not today. It's closed. Go to the hotel.
左
过去
右
第二个，
Where's the hotel?
这边。
Daddy, where's the hotel, Daddy?
我一看见那，
Here's the hotel.
那个
你看到了吗？
那个
是你对酒店啊，它写
轮
的
渡轮码头。哎，这里有码头
I
啊！
like hotels in Admiralty. I like Admiralty. I like Admiralty.
这里有码头，真好。
Here's
Me today said the park。掉个头下来吧。係咪啊？啱唔啱啊？
稳啊，
他们都停这里。
这里不是顾客。Not on the floor. Put it over there next to Daddy's bag.
OK，给我浏览。
I don't want to go swimming, Daddy.
Why don't we go and have a look at downstairs first?
No.
Maybe it's a good place to go.
It's a good place.
That's BTV, man.
Larger.
Larger.
你跟麦老师，我们以前住那边。
I know we used to live there.
哦，我以前住那边。Alice 嗰度，come in。
In the white building.
Not the white one. One next to the white one on the right. To the right of the white ones.
The one, the black ones.
Yeah, that's that.
Alice like 嗰度。
I like that. Why do we want to live in
E.T.
Why do we want to live in ET? Why?
超速也不怕吗？我已经超速了，他比我超得更厉害。啊，老爸，不拍照吗？
你看到有没有？还有。
我已经超了20，他你看他最少开110、120。
呢條點解唔啱？
呢條線啱嘅，左線唔啱嘅，左線是去申請的，但是我們在兩邊都可以走，但是大嶼山直接上那個橋了。
没事了，不用了吗？
啊？
不用去申请快。
Road.
啊？
Road.
全 Hong Kong very beautiful 地方。
香港以前很搞笑。
Ayan guys, pupunta kami sa Disneyland.
等一下，看这条路怎么去？走错了，老爸。
沒有。
啊？
沒有。
那條路是上來這裡的。
上到这里吗？Another big bridge. If you fall asleep, rest yourself, go on to the island. Go to.
You have to know how to swim. That's why I told you. You have to learn how to.
If
You
you
think you're good right now or not very good?
I'm good.
Very good.
If,
Okay, but you need to learn more.
yes, but if you fall in the sea, if you see a beach, walk, go to the beach. Save yourself on the beach. Swim to the beach.
Yeah. Right.
What are you going to do on the beach?
Just want to get off the beach.
No, just live there for a few days.
That's what it is.
Go beautiful.
There's some jam on it. That'll be.
你說，
我们就迟到了。
對，你說不用去申請照，你說，爸爸很喜歡照顧。
现在太好了，因为我们这里有双白线，不可以换。
这是 or jam.
都可以換線，你說。
这是 or jam.
The one in the middle goes to the
Yeah.
middle goes to Josh's house.
Yeah.
Goes to Josh's place.
What's that?
Uncle Dexter doesn't know you are. He works in Jordan.
Yeah, Jordan, yeah.
But Gerald's little brother is Jordan.
Yeah, his name's Jordan.
My brother saying.
Hey, name's Jordan. St. Jordan, spell it to St.
两条线。
Government school, ayan guys. Kahit na government school, maganda siya. Oh. Malaki. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda ng hotel guys, oh. Ayan. May Mickey Mouse.